How to get double XP in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get double XP on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to get the double XP, tap on to this lightning icon right here at the top. Select it. Then here you can find the boost right here. Now simply purchase one of these by using the gems right here. Now simply tap on to one. And here you can find your purchase has been completed. And you can see the XP right here. Now you can simply use the double XP. Now tap on to continue. Now play the match and you will simply get the double XP boost on the game. And that's it. This is how you can get double XP in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.